Okay, out of the three, note that this one only has two variables. So x here, let me call this equation 1, 2, 3. From equation 3, you can isolate x to get minus 8 minus 2z. Let me call that 3 prime. And then you can put 3 prime into equation 1, the first one. You get 2, x is minus 8 minus 2z. Okay, so you get a minus y minus, this is a 3z. You add both sides by 16, 14, which is the same as y minus y plus 3z equals negative 14 when you multiply everything by negative 1. Okay, and then put 3 prime also into equation 2, and you're going to get something only with y and z again. So you get minus 8, right, minus 2z plus 3y. So you get 3y minus 3z is equal to 18. Let's divide through by 3. Okay, so this is 4, 5. Okay, let me line the 5 here. This is y minus z equals 6. Now you can do elimination to eliminate the y now and get 4z is equal to minus 20. So z is negative 5. Once you have that, right, you have y plus 5. So y is equal to 1. Once you have that, well, once you have these two, you can go back here. X is going to be minus 8 minus 2. So x is 2.